In this video, I will show you how to make this animated roadmap infographic for your PowerPoint presentation. You want to start off by going to Insert in the ribbon and going to Shapes. Choose the oval shape and draw an oval. Holding the Shift key while resizing the oval will lock the aspect ratio, creating an equally sized oval. You then want to copy this oval 4 times and spread them out evenly as shown on screen. Make sure that the upper 2 ovals are aligned and make sure that the bottom 2 ovals are aligned. You then want to select them all using Shift, go to Shape Format in the ribbon and go to Align. Here you choose for Distribute horizontally. This will spread them out evenly. You then want to draw lines between the ovals. You do this by going to Shapes again and selecting the line shape. When you hover over the ovals, you will notice that some fixed points will appear. Use these fixed points to create good looking lines between your ovals. And once you've made all your lines, select them all using the Shift key and click on them. Go to Shapes Format in the ribbon and go to Shape Outline. Here, you go to Dashes and select an option that looks good. Once you added dashes to your lines, you want to select everything. Then, you want to go to Shape Format in the ribbon again and go to Shape Outline again. Here, we choose the weight option and change it to 4.5. After you did that, you want to customize your slide. Change colors to make it look cool. I'm also adding icons to it. You do this by going to Insert in the ribbon and clicking on Icons. If you're using icons, I recommend grouping the oval and icon together. You do this by selecting both the shape and the oval using Shift, going to Shape Format in the ribbon and click on Group. After you chose your colors, we go to the Shape step again and insert a trapezoid. Click on the trapezoid. Remove the outline, click on the shape fill, and here you click on gradient and on more gradients. Once you open up this menu, click on gradient fill and add the following settings. Add the color of your oval all the way to the left and add a 80% transparency to it. And add a black color to the other side and add a 100% transparency to it. You can send the trapezoid to the back by clicking on it, going to Shape Format and click on Send Backward. You then want to place it so it looks like the circle is lighting up, like on screen. Do this for the 3 other ovals as well. The last thing to do before animating is adding the text. Click on Insert in the ribbon and add a text box. Customize the text in the way that you want. I'm adding a bigger, bold title and a smaller text under it. I'm also making sure that the text stays in the, between air quotes, light that we just created. Now it's time to animate. For this animation, we will have the line appear first, then the oval, then the light, and then the text. For the first oval, there's no line, so we have to start with the oval. Select the oval, or the group if there's an icon in it, go to Animations in the ribbon and click on Fade. You then want to select the light and also add a fade animation to it. And at last, you want to select the text and add a fade animation to it as well. You then want to open the animation pane and right click on the second, third, and if you have one, 4th animation. You want to click on Start After Previous on all of them. And after you did that, you want to animate the line. Click on the line, go to Animations in the ribbon and select the wipe animation. Adjust the effect options if the line is not flowing smoothly to the other oval. After you animated the line, you want to use the animation painter in the Animations tab to animate the rest of the slide. Click, for example, on an oval that already has an animation on it and click on the animation painter and then you click on another oval. This will copy the animation of the oval that already has an animation on it. Check the animation pane on screen, and you want to make sure that your animation pane looks or is similar to mine. And there you have it. I hope this video helped. Consider subscribing, and I will see you next time.